Hey, what's up everybody? We're going to do something really quick today. We're going to do a beef tallow. Basically, all that is rendered down beef fat. And this has got a high smoke point, and it's supposed to be good for like frying. It's supposed to add some real good flavor when you're using it. Yeah, we're going to do it in the oven. Okay, so you want to start by cubing this up really small, and this is going to have to go into a pot that you can put in the oven. So I'm gonna cube it real small. So I'll just put it in here. Now I got this at a regular supermarket at ShopRite. And it's real cheap. It's about $1.19 a pound. You could always go to your butcher, your local butcher, and see if you can get some. Alright, so that's everything. Alright, now we're gonna set this at about, I'm gonna go 245. Take it, we're gonna cover it. And we're just going to put that right in the oven, and I'll check it in a couple hours, see how it looks. Okay, so this has been going for a couple hours. I guess it needs to go a little bit longer. Let me give it a mix. Yeah, you can see that it's rendering down nicely. All right. And we'll let it go some more. All right. So
I don't even know. I lost track about how long this has been going. So maybe 3 or 4 hours, and you can see now it's starting to render. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ladle some of this grease out and put it through a strainer and put it in a glass measuring cup for now. All right. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to get out as much as I can, and then I'm going to put it back in for another couple hours. Okay, now we're going to put this back in for another couple hours. All right, so I went probably about another hour or so, and it rendered down some more. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to ladle it out and pass it through the sieve. Alright, so this has probably been going for 8 hours or so. And I'm not sure if I'm going to get much more out of it. It's not sticking to the bottom yet, which that's a good thing. So I'm going to continue this. I'm just going to get as much as I can. Okay, so as you can see, I got about 4 cups from that little bit of fat that I had. And this is the rendering, and this was done all day, so the bottom part is a little solidified, and this is the spent fat. So yeah, can't wait to use that. And that's it. And I'm gonna look up some recipes and see what I can use this for. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.